Hey guys, can you tell something's a little different today? Just a little bit different. This is my hair today, guys, and I'll explain a little bit. So I'm gonna put it up so it's not that big of a distraction because, hello, honey. Honey, we are big today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Mask Monday video. For today's video, I'm going to be using a new product. It's not really a new, let me explain better. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Brigeo deep conditioner, and this deep conditioner is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioner. This is what it looks like right here. Nice and big. I got the 32-ounce one, and guys, this thing is expensive. I think it was like $120, $115-ish on their website, and I did purchase it with my own money because I don't know, I heard so many good things about this one, so I was like, you know what, if I like it, I'm probably gonna want the big size. And there are also very few brands that actually make deep conditioners the big size. Like, I really wish that deep conditioners were made in like a liter size bottle, because it's just so much easier and you don't have to keep repurchasing and repurchasing, especially for someone like me. I am so heavy-handed with the products that I use. I can go through one of these super duper quickly. This is your average 8.5 fluid ounce bottle, and I always prefer the liter size of anything if I like it, because I just feel like you get more for your money. It is expensive, but I believe that the regular jar is in the 30s or 40s. I'll probably put the actual price in the description box below, but this one, I believe it was about $115. Again, I'll put the actual pricing below. But yeah, this is the bad boy that we're going to be testing out today. And for the situation with my hair, I'm going to talk about it just a little bit. So I co-washed today using one of my favorite co-washes. I know I say that a lot, but this is the Eden Body Works Natural Cleansing Co-Wash. And this bad boy right here is just as good as the As I Am one, which I really love. It's very creamy, it conditions, detangles, all that good stuff, and it cleanses, which is the most important part. For detangling, I used my Herbal Essence Hello Hydration. Now this one doesn't follow the curly girl method, so if you are strictly to the curly girl method, you're probably not going to want to use the Herbal Essence one. This one, however, is sulfate free and paraben free, so if you're okay, I don't think it has any silicones in it. I didn't find any in the ingredients, unless I may have missed it, but this one I believe is all natural. You can use this one as a co-wash if you follow the curly girl method. So I know we have a mixed audience. Some people follow the curly girl method and some people don't, so I like to just throw that in there to let people know if it follows the curly girl method, you're good to go. If it doesn't, I like to just warn you beforehand, so you know, you can stick to what you like. So yeah, I detangled using the Herbal Essence. I really like this one, but the video today is not on these products. This is just how I prep my hair beforehand. Now my hair has dried up because I co-washed about 5 hours ago, and then on top of that I finger detangled, and I was just detangling my hair to see how big it would get, and this is why it looks like this. Totally different from what you guys are used to seeing, but yeah, this is my hair. Right in my hair intersection. I'm just using my spray bottle with water, and I'm gonna go ahead and saturate my hair. I'm gonna be detangling today with my Texture Pro wet brush, and it's really good to help make detangling so much easier. Alright, so before applying the conditioner, let's talk about it. So this is a brand new bottle. Just open it. I like that the big one has a pump. Like I said, I feel like pumps are just way easier for me to use, distributes everything better, so I prefer pumps over any packaging. So this is the Brigeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicone, along with the rest of their line. I believe follows the curly girl method, so that's good. Again, if you follow the curly girl method, I think you would enjoy this conditioner. It says that this deep conditioning mask contains a unique blend of avocado, sweet almond, and argan oils, and hair essential vitamin B5 and biotin to repair damaged hair. It says that it enhances its shine and reduces breakage. This deep conditioning mask is suitable for all hair textures and perfect for those with very dry, damaged, or chemically treated hair. So the directions of this deep conditioner says to use 1 to 2 pumps of the mask and massage it into the hair. Now for me, to be honest, I'm going to use 1 to 2 pumps per section, because if I do 1 to 2 pumps for my entire hair, girl, you know we're not getting anywhere with that. So definitely going to be more generous than just 1 to 2 pumps. And it says to focus on the mid length and end. Again, for me, I'm going to put the conditioner all throughout my hair, although it specifies to just put it from the middle to the ends. I guess that's why you would use 1 to 2 pumps, but we're not going to do that today. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to pump out. I'm struggling right here. I'm going to pump out 2 pumps. Now the smell, the smell is not pleasing to me. It does not smell good at all. It smells like medicine. Oh, I don't like the smell. I do not like the smell. But the consistency is very velvety. It feels very silk-like, very creamy. As you can see, it feels very creamy. I wouldn't say it's thick. I would say it's more in the middle, because it does have a bit of a watery consistency, but then it's not super watery where it's like running down. So I would say it has like a middle-ish consistency, if that makes any sense. The smell I'm not a fan of. I hope the smell doesn't stay in my hair, because I'm not crazy about the smell. As far as the application, it does feel very nice and silky. I feel like my hair, since my hair air dried without any products for so long, my hair is kind of dry and it's just like soaking all up the product. But as you can see, I applied 2 pumps in this little section and it did not leave my hair white at all. Some other conditioners, if you apply a lot of it, it leaves your hair white. Like there's like a residue, but this one there's no residue. My hair just soaked that all in. The smell, guys, I'm not crazy about the smell. So I'm gonna go in with another pump. Yeah, so like I said, it has a very, you know, like, it has like a medium consistency. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's very soft. It just smells like medicine to me. I've actually tried this conditioner a long time ago. I think when I was first transitioning, I tried this deep conditioner, but I have like a fair opinion on it because I used it years ago and it was just a sample size. So the sample size is like super duper small and I have a lot of hair and I'm very generous with my products. So I was only able to apply the tiniest amount to my entire section. So I feel like I didn't have a good, you know, like review on that. So based on the votes, you guys said you wanted to see this one and it has very good reviews. A lot of people really do like this one. So I was like, you know what? I need to check it out and see if, you know, it's worth the hype. There's no residue on this one. My hair literally just soaked in all of the product, which is good because, you know, my hair is a little dry today. But I really do love the packaging of it. I really like, you know, it's a little chubby packaging. It's very salon-y, if that's even a word. But the smell, guys, I don't know. I'm not a fan of the smell. I am down to my last section finally. I feel like I've been here for like 10 years, but it's because my hair is like 100% dry, so I really have to work to get it wet. But I'm not gonna lie, it feels really, really good on the hair, but it doesn't feel as hydrating as I would expect it to be. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it does feel good. My hair feels silky, but I felt like I've tried other masks that make my hair feel a little bit better, but it does feel good. And the smell, I can't get over the smell. I'm not crazy about the smell, but it feels good. I'm not like, oh my god, this feels amazing about it, but it does feel good, you know. Let me just continue with my last little section here. I use 1 pump for this section. Well, 1.5 because my ends are dry. Alright, so now my hair is fully detangled. I had to apply a little bit more conditioner into some sections, so that's why you see like the white residue that I was talking about earlier. I wasn't seeing when I first applied it. It feels really good on the hair. It feels soft, but it doesn't wow me. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I had high expectations for this product because it's so expensive, but it didn't really wow me. It's not wowing me right now. I'm hoping my results are gonna be like, oh my god, girl. I'm probably sure it is, because it does feel like my hair does feel silky and hydrated and stuff, but I don't know. I feel like I just had higher expectations for this product, but what's turning me off is the smell, to be honest. But if you don't mind scent, you don't really care about the smell, then I think you'll be fine. Comment down below if you think it's just me making this up, or if you have this or have tried it and the smell was a little not the best scent ever. So now that my conditioner is all in my hair, I'm going to leave this in for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be right back and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like after I've rinsed everything out. I just finished rinsing out my hair. It's dripping all down my back. But this is what my hair looks like. It feels nice. The smell is still in there. I'm not happy about the smell, but it does feel nice on my hair. My hair feels very soft, silky like, but I've definitely tried other conditioners that have left my hair feeling a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair completely, and then I'm gonna show you guys what my results are. This is actually day 3 hair. I forgot to end the video and I forgot to come back. I didn't have enough time, but this is day 3 hair, and believe it or not, deep conditioning makes a huge difference on the elongation of your wash and go week. So if you do it right the first time on day 1, your hair can stay really, really nice. I'm actually going to post a video tomorrow showing you guys how I refreshed my hair. I did not have to wet it. I did not have to detangle. It was just literally like a one and done. It was super easy to refresh the curls. But now it's time to talk about my overall thoughts on the Brigeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So to keep it short and simple, I would have to say I rate this product a 7 out of 10. I don't think it gave me the moisture I was expecting for it to give me. For the price, it is a higher end product. I thought that it would be way more intense. I thought it would be similar to the Heaven and Hair. Although this consistency for this deep conditioner is finer than the Heaven and Hair by Diva Curl, I still was expecting it to give me that wow, you know, like that wowzer factor that I was just like, wow, you know, like this is a really good deep conditioner. I didn't get that from this one. It did, however, do the job. I don't think that this conditioner would be one of the conditioners that I would grab to when my hair is super dehydrated after like a long day at the beach or something. I don't think this would be one that I would gravitate towards, just because I feel like it could have been a little bit better. Next time when I use this conditioner, I would definitely add an essential oil and I'll steam it, or I'll go under the hooded dryer, or just add some kind of heat to it just to take it to the next level. But I feel like on its own, it needs a little bit more help. I feel like this conditioner would work better with someone whose hair is pretty normal. It's not super dry, it's not damaged, it doesn't require much. This is a conditioner that you can use in your regimen all the time because it's not going to give you that intensive moisture as it does claim to do. I also rated it a 7 because as you guys know, the smell wasn't my cup of tea. I didn't like how it smelled. Although, however, it was just for wash day, because after I styled my products and the next day the smell went away. My hair does not smell like that anymore. Just the application process and just keeping it in my hair that whole time, I wasn't a fan. This is what my hair looks like. This is day 3 curls. The products that I used to style my hair is in the video that I'll link in the description box below, and it's the power of the Denman brush. That's what I used to style my curls. That concludes this video. Let me know what your thoughts are on this deep conditioner. If you tried it before, how do you like it? Are you a fan of the smell? Am I exaggerating? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video, which is going to be showing you guys how I refresh these curls. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more videos, and that you're following me on Instagram at Chelly's Curls. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!